Good morning students, mathematics class 8 semester 1 rational number first chapter rational number exercise 1.1 using appropriate properties find. First problem minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. This is the given problem. First of all change these two fractions. So using here property, first property commutative property, commutative property. So here A, here B. So A plus B is equal to B plus A. A plus B is equal to B plus A. This is the commutative property. So minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus